Hi everyone, Bradley Botkin here with another installment of CADET tutorial. Tutorial today will cover how to upload your captions to a video up in YouTube on your YouTube channel. So this video that I've just captioned is one of the previous tutorials. It's about how to actually create captions. That was tutorial number 2. You should watch that one if you don't know how to use CADET. And so I've already uploaded that video to our YouTube channel, but it's got no captions. I did not enable auto captions up in YouTube. I'll show you here. So let's go to, this is my channel. I'm going to go to the channel, I think, yeah, there we go. And I'm going to go to the YouTube Studio Beta. And click on the videos. Here are a bunch of videos, and this one creating captions. And I'm just going to open it in another tab, and let me pause it. So look down here on the controller. You don't see any little widget, any little button that lets you turn captions on and off, and that's because there are no captions for this video yet. And so I'm going to go back to CADET, and I'm going to export this project to a time text file. It's going to be an SRT file. Pick SRT. I'm going to save it on the desktop. Okay, so it's there. So there we are, and the SRT file that I just exported is on my desktop. So I'm going to go over here. So this is my media clip up in YouTube that has not been captioned yet. Remember, we're in the YouTube Studio Beta. That's the place where you want to be. Studio Beta. It's got a couple of tabs here. It's already got a description. I gave it a description, and there it's its title. And I'm going to go to the Advanced tab. You'll see down here, scroll down a little ways, and here is, upload subtitles and CC. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Select the subtitle CC file type. Well, it's got timing in it because we went to all the trouble of timing our CADET project. So I'm just going to click continue. And I'm going to navigate to the desktop. And there it is. There's our SRT file. So I'm going to choose that. And now that little link has gone away, and it does show that it's English by you. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. And that'll take a moment to inhale. If I go back to the Basic tab, so I'm going to click on this little thing which plays it. Here, let's get rid of this one, and I'm going to play it again. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to pause it for a moment. So look down here. Magically, a little caption button has appeared, and it's got a little red underline on it which says that captions are turned on, but I could turn captions off, can turn them on. Okay, and let's go ahead and play it. Hi, it's Brad Botkin here again. There are captions that we so very carefully created in CADET, and now they're playing in YouTube. Piece of a video. And anybody that goes to this link, the link to this video, will be able to turn captions on and off. And there you have it. It could not be simpler. You upload your media clip to YouTube. You take your caption file that you exported from CADET as a SRT file. That will be your best choice. And then you upload it on the Advanced tab in this area You point to your SRT file. Don't forget to save it because it won't actually inhale that file and assign it to your media clip unless you save it. And then you end up with a nice captioned video. And that's all for today. See you next time.